Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to change your Facebook account on Candy Crush. First of all, you have to change your Facebook account into Facebook app. After this, you can click on My Account, then click on Logout and Logout. Click on Continue with Facebook, Continue, and now log in your Facebook account. That's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video.